All right, so we want to install WordPress on our website, and to do that, we want to come to this app right here where you see Softaculous App Installer. So you click on Softaculous App Installer, and this will show some top scripts, um, web applications where we have WordPress, Joomla, and the likes of them. But we are interested in WordPress, all right? And here is WordPress. So you want to click on install. All right. So here we have the installation instructions and other stuff. Here is our domain name, which we want to install WordPress on. So yes, this is kayodeaido.com, and make sure you do not type anything into this directory, please. Do not make the mistake of typing anything here. Just leave it blank as it is. And we want to come down. Site name says my blog, and you know what? We can actually change this during the process of designing the website. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. If you feel like you could change it right from here, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as my blog and the description as my WordPress blog. All right. And here we have the admin username. Here you want to choose a username that you would remember easily. So I'm going to type in my username and also create a password for yourself. I'm going to delete the default password and I would create a password. Yeah, so it says good and that is okay. All right, so I'm going to scroll down and that should be it. So it says here that email installation details too. So if you like to get the installation details of your WordPress, you can put in your email here. I'm just going to type in my email. So in case I um need to retrieve my username or my password, everything will be sent to this email. So you could use this as a backup. All right. So I have my email here and you want to click on install. And this is actually going to install WordPress on your website. So you just wait some few seconds and voila, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now we have WordPress installed on our website and our website is also live. Now you can check your website by going to your domain name, which is right here, Kayode. My domain name is kayodeaido.com. And let's check what we have on the website right now. So here you can see our domain is live, and this is Kayode Aido. But right now you can see the website is pretty much empty. We haven't designed anything yet, so there is nothing on the website yet. It is very blank, which we are going to work on in a bit. All right, so and here you can see it says administrative URL. So if you want to go to the back end of your website, so WordPress has a back end, and that is where you make things happen. That is where you edit your pages. That is where you make your designs and other stuffs. So this is the link to the back end of the website. And alternatively, if you want to go to the back end of your website, you just put a slash at the end of your domain name and type in wp/admin wp/admin at the end of your domain name. All right, and click enter, and this would basically take you to the WordPress login page where you would have to put in your username that you've created during the installation process and also your password. So this is why it is important to make sure that you have your username and your password handy, because if you lose them, you will not be able to access your WordPress account. So very important, keep those stuff handy. So I'm going to type in my password and click on login. And you know what, let's go back. Let's click exit launch. And yeah, so we are on the dashboard of our WordPress website. So this is the back end of your website. This is where you create pages. This is where you decide on the appearance, you choose themes, and a lot of other stuffs that we would be talking about. Even when you are posting a blog page, this is where everything happens. All right. So this is the back end of your website. While this is the front end. This is what everyone sees when they go to kayodeaidun.com or waz.com, xyz.com, whatever your website is.com. So this is the front end, and this is our back end. All right. I want to click on dismiss and dismiss all this stuff right here. We don't need all this right now because we are going to be using WordPress to design our website. So this is Namecheap trying to assist in the web design, but we actually don't need their help right now. So I want to go to plugins.
All right, so let's talk about what a plugin is in case you're wondering what a plugin is. So, simply put, a plugin is a software application that adds new features and enhances the existing ones on your WordPress website. For example, you need a new functionality on your website. You can simply use a plugin to bring up a new functionality on your website. Take, for example, you need a contact form, image galleries, or social media links on your website. You can simply use a plugin to bring up those functionalities on your website. So basically, the plugins allows new functionalities on your website. Another example is if you need a chatbot on your website, you go to some website and you see chatbots on the website where people can type and interact with customer service. Those can be done with a plugin on WordPress. So that is what a plugin is. Let's get back into the tutorial.
So right now we are on the plugin page and we want to delete all the plugins that we are not going to be using for now. So I'm just going to select all these because I will not need them, and I'm going to leave this actually. And yeah, click on bulk action, select delete, and I'm going to click on apply. Yes, so that has deleted all those plugins we do not need. So moving ahead, we want to install a theme for our website.
Now let's talk about a WordPress theme. A WordPress theme is a collection of templates and styles and scripts that controls the look and functionality of your WordPress website. Themes can be used to define the site's layouts, the color, the typography, and a lot more. So basically, the theme decides the feel and the look of your website. So let's get back into the tutorial.
And to install a theme, we go to appearance and then select themes. So right now we have an active theme which is called extendable. That is the theme that is actually activated at the moment. But for this tutorial, we are going to be using a theme called Astra. And to add a new theme, you want to go to add new theme. And here in the search box, I'm going to type in Astra. Astra. And here is Astra. All right, so this is the theme we want to use for our website. So basically, like I said, this theme determines the layout of your website. So you can see there are other free themes right here, which you might want to explore on your own, but Astra is actually recommended because it's a free theme and it makes designing the website pretty much easier, well, at least in my opinion. So you want to click on install, and now the theme has been installed, and then you want to click on activate. Yes. So now we have installed the Astra theme on our website. So next we want to install a page builder. So this page builder is what we would use in designing our website. So it is a plugin, and like I said, plugins are what assist you in giving functionalities to your website. So this page builder is actually called Elementor, and that is the page builder we would be using to design this website. So to install this page builder, you want to come to plugins and you click on add new plugin. The name of this page builder is Elementor. So you want to search for Elementor, and right here you can see this is Elementor right here. And this is one of the most popular page builders for WordPress. It is very efficient and straightforward, and that is why it is highly recommended. You can see it has 10 million active installations, which shows you how much installation it has gotten from people. And yeah, so we are going to be using the Elementor website builder, all right? And here you want to click on install now, and then you click on activate. So basically, this has activated the Elementor page builder. So moving on, there are some settings I would want us to look into in Elementor. So on your dashboard, you come to Elementor and select settings, and you want to scroll down, and where it says disable default colors, you want to click on it, and where it says disable default fonts, you want to click on it. So basically we want Elementor to inherit the colors from our team. That is why we are doing this. And you click on save changes. Before we move ahead, let's see what our website looks like after installing the theme. All right. Yes, so the website is still very blank, and but if you take note of what we had before and what we have now, there's a slight difference in the layout because of the Astra theme which we have installed. So it basically shapes the website. But right now we still have a blank website. And if you look up here, you can see we have more like a menu items for the website. And this is because we are logged into the back end of our website. That is why you can see the menu items on your current Chrome window. All right. So if you are not logged in, you will not see this menu. So this is a shortcut if you want to go back to your dashboard. So you just click on dashboard, and this will take you back to your dashboard. All right. I hope this is, I hope we're getting along. Moving ahead, we want to create our first page. Now, this is going to be our home page. And to do that, you want to go to pages. So here is the sample page we have. If you go to the website URL and this particular page where it says my blog, this is it right here. This is what it is named right here, sample page. But we want to have a very nice home page, and this home page is where people will land on. And to do that, we go to add new page. So when you select add new page, it brings you here, and you want to name it home page. So I'm just going to name it home page for now. We can change that later, but let's name it home page. So when you have done this, you click on publish and publish. So the page is now live. And if you want to start editing this page with Elementor, you can see where it says edit with Elementor. So to edit this page, you want to select on edit with Elementor, and this would direct you to the Elementor page builder where we get to edit our pages. All right. So we are here on the Elementor page builder, and this is what the Elementor page builder looks like. I'm just going to skip all of this, and yeah, this is the Elementor page builder.